Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you this piece that I put together. And I am working on a DIY duplex for Betty Boop, and I made a balcony in that creation. I'm not finished with the DIY project yet, but in that project there are 3 doors, and 2 of the doors need some type of platform in front of them, so that when you step out of the door, you step on here and overlook the living room. So I'm going to take you there now. First, I want to show you this piece. What I did here was I took 2 of these like dry erase labels. They're magnetic, and I glued them together like this. They're black on the other side, as you can see, but I glued them together, and I cut out some of this note card, which is actually an invitation, and it's a nice pattern that goes with my theme with the Betty Boop. So I cut a piece and covered the black with that, so it looks like a nice floor there. Look at that. And I added one of these with glue. I have a few of these extras. So I made myself a little platform, which we are going to take over to the DIY creation. Besides that, I have a Jenga block here, and I am using this to make books. Here is a strip of books, and I am cutting it to the size, and it'll look like books, but you'll see it because I have more inside the creation, so you'll see what I mean. But why don't we take this piece to test it out? So here is the creation. I am not finished yet. Those are the books, and this little platform, I wanted to go there because you see that that's a door. There are 3 sets of doors here. 2 of them are single, and the middle one is a double door, but the double door already has its balcony platform. So I want to make a platform for this door. So I also placed some straws to serve as supports for this little platform. So we just want to see what it looks like on there if I were to place it here. Let me see if I can get some light in there. I think that works. So Betty Boop comes out from that door. She can stand here, or she can go that way and go across. Then the stairs are here. So that does work. So that is the little platform idea, and what I have to do is I have to glue it so that it won't fall. I just love this piece. And that is the balcony there. So here is my wall unit. That's where all the books are going, plus some other decor that I will add. So I am not finished yet with this project. I will be back. This video was all about this platform. Thank you for your time, and thank you.